Where does India stand on religious freedom according to US Council of International Religious Freedom Minorities freedom of religion in all countries throughout the world. Its mission is to advance international freedom of religion or belief by independently assessing and unflinchingly confronting threats to the fundamental rights. Under international human rights law, religion is not a legitimate justification for egregiously violating individuals' fundamental rights. US government has designated India as a country of particular concern or CPC for engaging in and tolerating systematic, ongoing and egregious religious freedom violations as defined by the International Religious Freedom Act IRFA in its annual 2021 report of freedom of religion. India is the world's largest democracy with secular pluralism. Its estimated population exceeds 1.3 billion, 79.8% Hindus, 14.2% Muslims, 2.3% Christians and 1.7% Sikhs. In Muslim majority Indian occupied Kashmir, restrictions on freedom movement and assembly negatively impacted religious freedom, including the observance of religious holidays of Muslims like Eid and Ramadan, and the ability to attend prayers. The shutdown of the internet for nearly 18 months, the longest ever shutdown in any democracy, and other restrictions on communications caused significant religious persecution and limited religious freedom. In 2020, religious freedom conditions in India continued their negative trajectory. The government led by the Bharatiya Janata Party promoted Hindu nationalist policies, resulting in systematic, ongoing and egregious violence of religious freedom against Muslims. In early 2020, the passage of the Religiously Discriminatory Citizenship Amendment Act, a fast track to citizenship for non-Muslim migrants from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan residing in India, led to nationwide protests against the CAA and spurred state violence, largely targeting Muslims. USCIRF regarded this weaponization of citizenship laws as anti-Muslims. Individuals and religious communities enjoy the right to hold and follow diverse views on religious precepts, free from government interference. But interference of Indian state in people's right of religious freedom has resulted in deadly consequences for India in the form of international sanctions from international think tanks. Indian government is accountable to international humanitarian rights standards granted FORB and other fundamental human rights to all.